You may have already heard about commonsensemedia.org. Even if you have, I just wanted to share a couple things that may be useful for you in the classroom. They have, under the Parents tab, some really cool resources with movies, shows, books, apps, games, and websites. And this is the one area that I think it may be most beneficial for you. If you go under that tab, you've got the best website list, reviews, game lists, app reviews, the best app list, best apps for learning, special needs apps. You can click on any of these and it'll pop it up, and then you can choose what age group you want. Let's say I want 5 to 7 years old. If I go down, it'll give me all kinds of cool things that I can look at, YouTube alternatives, apps for gifted and talented students. I can click on it, go down, and it'll give me all kinds of really cool apps and websites. If you see a computer screen next to the website, it lets you know that it has a website. It's not just an app. Storyboard, as a matter of fact, is one we use in my computer lab, and the kids love it. If it has what looks like a tablet or a cell phone, that lets you know that is for a phone or a tablet instead. But let's say that I see something that looks interesting, like this right here, Lumino City, but I want to learn more. Is it really that good? I can click on it. It will give me the review, what Common Sense Media says. If there are any parent reviews or kid reviews, which this one doesn't have it, I can go down and see some pictures that are on there. Then it'll tell me why they rated it the way they did, what parents need to know. It'll also show me what it's about. Is it really any good? Things that you can talk to your kids about or families, what devices you can get it on. And it will also tell you, underneath here is where it'll tell you whether it's free or if there's a free version, a paid version, and all of that information. You can also search for up here, so best math, apps, and games. And it will pop up the different results. Like there are 19,000 different apps and games, and I can go down. This one says for kindergarten. I can click on it, and it will give me the different things that they're doing, the ages. It'll tell me what device, of course. I can go back. I can go on. There's all kinds of first grade, 7th grade, so maybe you have some that are, almost ready for middle school, 5th grade. If I click on 5th grade and go down, there's all kinds of, it'll tell you different apps and stuff. You can even click up here. I can type up here in the search bar and look for something specific. So say I want to look for algebra games, and I go down, and here's all kinds of algebra games. Algebra typically is an older concept, but they do have some for 8-year-olds, 9-year-olds, 10-year-olds. This particular one looked interesting. It starts at ages 5+. So if you have a really advanced student who's really doing well in math, you can differentiate your groups and have one group working on a game like this and look at some of the different equations and stuff they're going to be learning how to do and how to solve for. So it is really cool. It does teach them how to do it. It says ease of play 4 out of 5. So that's really actually pretty easy for a young kid. And it teaches them, and this particular one, it will tell you that as it goes, it does, they grow and the concepts get harder. So it takes and it grows with the student, with the child. Now this one, you do have to pay for it. But I know all the time they're offering free apps or discounts on apps. You just have to pay attention to that. Now there's not just math. You do have best reading, apps and games. You go on here, there's all kinds of reading stuff, and you can sort it according to, like this one is best strategy games, which that's not reading, but that's right. Reading comprehension games and websites. I can click, maybe I want big kids for this one. And so then, like, some of this is, this is computer-based. This is a video game. This here is for a tablet or phone. So you can change it up and just see what you're looking for. The cool thing about it is there's a lot of just reviews and things out there. Or maybe you want the best books for kids because you have parents that are asking what's in right now, what should I get my child for Christmas, and all of that stuff, and you can kind of see it. So anyways, I hope this helps. Don't be afraid to play around. If you have any questions, just ask me. Under the Educator tab, I will tell you, you have the professional development, digital citizenship, resources, and all that, and reviews, Facebook link, and everything. You can set up a free educator under Sign Me Up, a free educator account, and sign in with your Effingham account, and you can access all kinds of free lesson plans and really cool stuff if you choose to.